In this video lesson, we will differentiate linear equation and linear inequality. So I want you to identify the difference between the given in set A and set B. So first, let's see, are they linear? When we say linear, they should have 1 as the highest exponent. So yes, they are both linear, set A and set B. Do they have 2 variables? When we say 2 variables, each equation should have x and y. So looking at the examples, yes, they have 2 variables. Can you differentiate set A and set B? In set A, as you can observe, the given in set A use equal sign. So set A is for the equation, while in set B, the given has inequality signs. So set B is for inequality. In linear equation in 2 variables, they have the same value. So we are using the symbol equals or equal sign. In linear inequality in 2 variables, they have different values. So we will be using greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or the symbol of not equal. We will have the examples 2x minus 3y equals 6, 2x minus 3y less than 6, and 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. So we will identify if the given coordinates are part of the solution or not. We have A, x is 6, y is 2, B, x is 0 and y is negative 2, C, x is 0 and y is 2, and D, x is 0, y is equals to 0. So we will identify if these 4 given are part of the solution of each equation or inequality. Let's have the first one. 2x minus 3y equals 6. So we will check is a solution of this equation. So let us have letter A. X is 6 and y is 2. And then we will use the given linear equation 2x minus 3y equals 6. We will substitute the value of x. It will become 6 minus 3. The value of y is 2. And then copy equals 6. We will multiply 2 and 6, so that is 12. Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6 equals 6. 12 minus 6, that is 6 equals 6. Meaning, 6 and 2 are part of the solution. How about the next one? So we have x is 0 and y is negative 2. We will also use the equation 2x minus 3y equals 6. Same, we will substitute the value. So x will become 0 minus 3 times y is negative 2 equals 6. So we have 2 times 0, that is 0. So we don't need to write it. And then we have negative 3 times negative 2, that is positive 6 equals 6. Also, 0 and negative 2 is a solution. Let's have the third one. 0 and y is 2. Using the given equation, next, we will substitute the value of x and y. So we will have 2 times 0 minus 3 times positive 2 equals 6. Next, we will simplify. We have 2 times 0, that is 0, so we don't need to write it. Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6 equals 6. Negative 6 is not equal to 6. So meaning the third one is not solution. How about the fourth one? X is 0 and y is also 0. Using the given, next we will substitute the value of x and y. So we will have 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 equals 6. 2 times 0, that is 0. And negative 3 times 0 is still 0. So we will have 0 equals 6. this statement is not true because 0 is not equal to 6. So letter D is not also solution. Let's have the second linear inequality. 2x minus 3y is less than 6. Let us have the first given. X is 6 and y is 2. Using the inequality 2x minus 3y less than 6, we will substitute the value of x and y. So we will have 2 times 6 minus 3 times 2 less than 6. So we have 2 times 6, that is 12. Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6 less than 6. And then simplify. We have 12 minus 6, that is 6. And then copy less than 6. 6 less than 6 is a false statement because 6 is not less than 6. So meaning letter A is not solution. How about if x is 0 and y is negative 2? Substitute the value of x and y. So we have 2 times 0 minus 3 times negative 2 less than 6. So we will have 2 times 0, that is 0. We have negative 3 times negative 2, that is positive 6 less than 6. Still, this is a false statement. Therefore, letter B is also not solution. How about the third one? X is 0 and y is 2. Substitute the values of x and y. So we will have 2 times 0, that is 0. And then negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6. And then copy less than 6. This statement is true because negative 6 is lower than 6. So meaning letter C is a solution. How about the fourth one? X is 0 and y is 0, meaning this is the origin. So we have 2x minus 3y less than 6. Substitute the value. So we have 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 less than 6. 2 times 0, that is 0. Negative 3 times 0, that is also 0. So we have 0 less than 6. Still, letter D is a solution since 0 is less than 6. Let us have the third inequality. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. We will find out which among the given is a solution or not solution. Let us have the first one. X is 6 and y is 2. Using the given, we will substitute the value of x and then the value of y, copy less than or equal to 6. And then simplify. 2 times 6, that is 12. Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6, less than or equal to 6. So we have 12 minus 6, that is 6, less than or equal to 6. This statement is true because it has the equal sign at the bottom. 6 is less than or equal to 6. So meaning letter A is part of the solution. Let's have the second one. X is 0 and y is negative 2. Using the given, substitute the value of x and y. So we have 2 times 0, that is 0. Negative 3 times negative 2, that is positive 6, less than or equal to 6. So still this statement is true. So meaning letter B is also a solution. Third one. X is 0, y is positive 2. Substitute the values of x and y. So we have 2 times 0, that is 0. We don't need to write it. Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6, less than or equal to 6. Is negative 6 less than or equal to 6? The answer is yes, meaning letter C is also a solution. Let's have the fourth one. X is 0 and Y is 0. Substitute the values of X and Y. And then simplify. So we have 2 times 0, that is 0. Negative 3 times 0, that is still 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 6? Yes. So meaning the fourth one is also a solution. This time, we will find the missing sign or symbol for the equation. So we have x plus 2y blank 7. So we need to identify the possible symbol. So we will have the given solution 3 and 2. So first we need to solve by substituting the values of x, which is 3, y, which is 2. So using the given, x will become 3 plus 2 times the value of y, which is 2, and then 7. And then simplify, 3 plus 2 times 2, that is 4, and then 7. 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7. So, what do you think are the possible symbols for this one? So we have 7 and 7. Obviously, they are equal. Symbol can also be greater than or equal to or less than or equal to because they can be at the same value. Last example, we have 4x minus 3y blank 12. So we need to check the solution 2 and negative 2. So we will substitute the values of x and y. Using the given, 4 times the value of x, which is 2, minus 3 times the value of y, which is negative 2, and then 12. So we have 4 times 2, that is 8. Negative 3 times negative 2, that is positive 6. And then we have 8 plus 6, that is 14. What is the relation of 14 and 12? So 14 is obviously greater than 12, and also it can be greater than or equal to.